IBM data breach. Is IBM really breach-proof? IBM data breach incident.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Incidents are rarely the first thing that springs to mind when one thinks of cybersecurity. This is because one of the largest tech companies in the world, IBM, has developed robust defenses against cyber attacks. Being a center of excellence, IBM is a key focus for cyber attacks because it manages enormous volumes of sensitive data and runs intricate infrastructures. Despite its extensive security measures, questions often arise: has IBM ever suffered an IBM data breach? In this article, we'll explore IBM's approach to cybersecurity and examine how they've handled incidents that challenged their security systems. IBM data breach, the rising threat and IBM's technological powerhouse. International Business Machines, or IBM, has been at the forefront of technological development for over a century. IBM has an unparalleled influence on global industries due to improvements in artificial intelligence, AI, quantum computing, and enterprise software. But amazing power comes with a lot of responsibility, particularly in the field of cybersecurity. One of the leading providers of cloud and IT solutions, IBM, deals with huge quantities of sensitive data every day, making it a prime target for cyber attacks. This has sparked concerns about the potential for a company data breach, highlighting how urgently robust security measures are needed. To lower the risk of an IBM data breach, the company continues to invest heavily in modern cybersecurity technologies. IBM's cybersecurity framework, Layers of Defense. IBM's cybersecurity success hinges on its layered approach, which includes proactive risk management. IBM identifies potential vulnerabilities before attackers can exploit them. By continuously monitoring systems and networks, the company minimizes risks. Zero Trust Architecture. IBM uses stringent verification procedures throughout its ecosystem to guarantee that no user or device is trusted by default. Encryption everywhere. To protect against unwanted access, sensitive data is encrypted both in transit and at rest. Intrusion detection systems and advanced firewalls. These tools assist in real-time detection and response to suspicious activity. IBM builds a robust framework that is challenging for attackers to breach by fusing human expertise with state-of-the-art technology. IBM cost of a data breach. The annual IBM cost of a data breach report shows the financial toll that cyber attacks take. According to the 2023 report, the standard global cost of a data breach is $4.45 million. For IBM, which handles a lot of sensitive data, a breach can be very costly. The main costs include data loss from stolen information, legal costs like fines and lawyer fees, reputation damage from losing customer trust, and operational disruptions from downtime and recovery. Even with IBM's robust security measures, cyber attacks may continue for any company, so the company keeps investing heavily in cybersecurity to lower risks and potential losses. Have they ever been breached? An honest look at the IBM data breach. IBM's robust security measures have made it a leader in cybersecurity, but even giants face challenges. While no major IBM data breach has been officially confirmed, there have been incidents involving its services and third-party collaborations that serve as valuable lessons. Key incidents highlighting IBM's resilience. 1. The 2019 Cloud Misconfiguration Incident. A misconfiguration in IBM's cloud environment briefly exposed data to potential unauthorized access. Impact. Though not a full-blown IBM data breach, the incident highlighted vulnerabilities in cloud governance. Lesson learned: continuous cloud security monitoring and stringent configuration audits are essential.
you found this video informative and useful. We'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.